matches the video. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. Alright, so today we are going to be freeze-drying watermelon. This is going to be our first time doing it, and we are super excited because we have been waiting until watermelons are in season. So what we are going to do is we are going to cut this up, get the rind off of it, and get it pre-frozen. Alright, let's go. Look, his butt matches the video. Say hi. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be cutting the slices thinner than you would normally cut your slices for a watermelon, and that is so that it freeze dries better. Alright, you guys, it is about 10:30 at night and we finally have our watermelon in the freeze dryer, but we just got 28 pineapples processed, so we should be good to go. Alright, so when this is done, we will show you the final product. Alright, hi you guys. Okay, so our freeze dryer has been running for 43 hours and 58 minutes. This was a long one. Alright, you guys, so we wound up having to bring all 4 of the trays inside because the watermelon stuck pretty bad to the tray. I didn't have a spatula out there to scrape them off the trays with, so I had to bring them inside. Alright, Hunter and I are going to do a taste test. See how this is our first time freeze drying watermelon.
Yep.
Alright. See.
Ready?
Yep. What do you think?
It tastes like watermelon at first, but then it has this kind of weird aftertaste. Like, it's not my favorite.
It tastes like really, really concentrated watermelon to me.
Yeah, like really concentrated. Too concentrated.
Too concentrated. It's sweet. It's sweeter than this watermelon was fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, this watermelon wasn't very sweet fresh. So, this is almost an entire watermelon freeze dried. The boys had a couple pieces each, but this was almost a whole watermelon.
I feel like it made the flavor overpowering. Like the flavor at first it's good, but then the aftertaste I don't like it.
So what if we were to take this and like grind it up and put it into like a smoothie or a milkshake or something?
That would probably work because if you added milk and sugar,
yeah. No, maybe.
Milk, sugar, and ice and stuff, it will definitely throw it out. But this alone, it's not my favorite.
Not your favorite?
No.
I bet Dad will like it.
Probably, yeah.
Alright, so if we're gonna rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think it would be?
I would give it like a...
Compared to other freeze-dried foods?
I would give it like a 2. It's...
A 2?
I don't think it's very good.
He really doesn't like it. I would give it like a 6. Because I think it's good. I think it'd be a good snack.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I just don't like the taste. I feel like it's a little over-concentrated.
Alright, well that's it you guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful night, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.